Microsoft Teams Phone Mobile lets you enable your mobile workforce to use a single business-provided mobile number as their Teams phone number, unlocking new capabilities and increased efficiency. Let me show you how it works. While on the go, a business consultant receives a call from their client that rings directly to their mobile device and any active Teams endpoint. Once they pick up the call, Teams automatically updates their presence to show they are on a call. Their organization has integrated a compliance recording solution with Microsoft Teams. Even though the call is taking place natively on the mobile device, compliance recording policies are applied.
This call is being recorded.
After catching up on recent project updates, the client asks to review the latest presentation that they are working on together. The user can easily move the call to Teams by going to the Teams app and uplifting the call to Teams to be able to share their screen, turn on video, and chat, creating a richer collaboration experience. After the conversation ends, call history records are accessible in Teams or the call history on the mobile device. Voicemails are unified in Teams and can be transcribed or listened to in the Teams desktop or mobile app. Organizations and users can also customize various settings, such as determining whether calls should ring Microsoft Teams first or the mobile's native dialer and any active Teams endpoint. Finally, caller ID policies can be configured to show company information, keeping users' business-provided mobile number private. Teams Phone Mobile enables new levels of mobility, flexibility, and efficiency.